Conveniently blend, blur, soften, and mix colored pencils with Meltz, Holbein's water-based blending thinner. Achieve stunning blending, gradations, or brushstroke-like effects by applying Meltz to an area already covered with pigment. For the best results, apply marks in a crosshatch or layered pattern before blending. Meltz is solvent-free, so it's safe for use with watercolor brushes and provides great results with no harmful fumes. This powerful blending solution is designed to work seamlessly with Holbein Artists Colored Pencils, allowing you to take your artistic creations to the next level. It's available in a double-ended marker and liquid bottle form. We like using the liquid bottle with a brush to cover larger areas of pigment. But the marker has a fine point that's great for blending open shaded script and other fine detail work.